Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. As a designer, I've tried different prototyping tools, and so far ProtoPie has been my favorite one. However, when I started, I had some troubles figuring out a few things by myself. So I decided to share some tips with you who want to learn ProtoPie. I'm very excited to start the channel finally, and I hope you enjoy it. Before opening the app, I would like to show you some useful pages. All the links are attached in the description below. First, this is the ProtoPie official website. You can download the app here and learn the basics. Basically, ProtoPie helps you to create a high-fidelity interactive prototype without coding. Yet, it gives you that native look and feel. We'll learn about it more later. The next page is the demo site. You can see all the cool examples of what you can possibly make with ProtoPie. You can even download the sample files by clicking each one of them. And lastly, ProtoPie provides feature request site. You can contribute or check out what they're working on right now in the roadmap page. Now, let's go to the ProtoPie app.